Hey everybody, Mark here. How you doing this week? My week's going okay. I'm not going to say that I've had a great week. In fact, I've had a very heart-wrenching week this week, but that's a personal thing, and I'm not going to tell you guys anything about it, at least not yet. Maybe once my head gets all wrapped around it, and maybe. But what I want to do today is I want to get back out on a rustic road. So let's find one here. It is kind of cold outside, so I don't want to travel too far. I think it's getting up to about the mid 60s this morning. So I don't really want to go too far, okay? So what I think I want to do, looking at the map here, now I'm down here in Rock County. So let's go to the southeast and down here to Rock County. Let's see what 35 is. Oh, it's 2.7 miles. Goes from County N to North John Paul Road in the town of Milton. So that's the town of Milton. That's down here. Looks like it uses the Cerns Road. I think that's what it is. Yeah, Cerns. The R and the N are so close together right here. It looks like an M. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad, but 2.7 miles isn't very long either. Let's go see what the other one was. Okay. Well, this one looks a bit longer, doesn't it? Yeah, 5.7 miles, completely paved, so no gravel roads this time. Southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County, Riley Road from Stebbinsville Road, I think that's how you pronounce it, to US 14. Road 68 passes through woodlands, rolling meadows, and lowland marshes, abounding in native vegetation and wildlife. The route passes two historic houses. That's pretty cool. The 1850s Stebbins House and the Richardson Grout House. At the south end of the Riley Road, a wayside park offers rest and relaxation. And actually, I've been on Highway 14 and been past this many times, and I actually have done this rustic road before. So yeah, it's a nice little park right there at the end of it. It's not like it's a playground or anything like that, okay? It's right off of US Highway 14, so it's a pretty heavily trafficked area. But, you know, it's a nice place maybe to put a blanket down on the ground and have lunch or something. Pretty nice little area. Well, as you can see, the road is pretty much an arrow. But yeah, I think if memory serves right, there should be a decent amount of hills. You know, you can kind of see a picture of it right here. So yeah, maybe we'll do that one today. It's on 14. I believe it's between Janesville and Evansville. So let's open up the Google map. So the red line right here is the road. And, oops. So yeah, there's Evansville here. If I scroll out, yeah, so there's Evansville, there's Janesville, Highway 14 goes there, and there's our road right there. So yeah, I think that'll work. So let me get geared up, jump on the bike, let's get up there. Let's enjoy this road, enjoy the day, really. Let's just enjoy a day. All right, guys, so here we are, Rustic Road 68. We are at the end of the southern portion of it. Where the description was talking about the little field park type thing. And this is it right here. There's a little bit of a parking lot, and there's basically the park here. So this could be your shot right here. You got your motorcycle sitting on the driveway. The Rustic Road sign is right up there. Take this picture and save it for sending in to get your registration for your patch, your certificate, or whatever. So let's get going. This is going to be a quick little ride. You know, just a few miles. What is it, 5.7 miles or something like that? And it's like a really straight road. Not much for curves, as you've seen from the map, but should have some decent little hills. Nothing drastic, you know, you're not going up and down mountains here, okay? This is Wisconsin, for crying out loud. but it should be a nice little road. We'll have the historic houses, and I don't know exactly which houses are the historic ones, okay? So we'll just see what we can find. All right, let's get on the bike and start riding. All right, guys, here we go. Rustic Road 68. As you may recall, all rustic roads have a speed limit topped out at 45 miles an hour. Been doing this week? Do anything fun and interesting? I wish I could say that my week was really good and I did a lot, but I really haven't. I've actually had quite a horrible week. But to me, all that's private. You guys don't need to know all that stuff. Okay, so we got a four-way stop here. However, it's also out in the middle of the country, and people like to just blow through stop signs. So, yeah, make sure you stop. You can see, and you've noticed, you know, just nice undulating hills, nothing extreme. Lots of wildflowers growing on the ditch and around the fields. Cool silo right there, huh? Cabin house. I think it's interesting that people can do that. That they can live in such a tiny little house. Not saying that I can do it, I can tell you that. That's a good sized farm over there, isn't it? Okay, this is just a two-way stop, so watch for your traffic. It's actually kind of a nice overlook over there, and then you can even see farther through the trees and stuff over here. That was a nice little scenic top off. dip right there over that culvert system. Nice little house and old farm system. Oh, I like these trees. Plateaued view here. Wow. We'll dip down into a bit of a valley. Creek. Nice little steep little hill here. And this is Highway 59, and we'll just cross this. That kind of looks like a little pull-off field park thing right there too, but I don't know if it's supposed to be. You know, this Rustic Road is so close to my house, but I'm almost never on it. I really don't come up here all that often. There's another good-sized farm right there. Guys, here we are. As you can see by the sign right here, this is the end of the Rustic Road. Of course, it's actually up by the stop sign, but Alright guys, that was it. That was Rustic Road 68, and it was a good road. The pavement's in good shape, it's not all busted up and stuff like that. No curves, that was the biggest letdown of the road, but hey, it's still a rustic road, it's still awesome. Crossing over Bad Bass Creek was really quite cool. You had this nice steep hill that goes down into the creek's valley. It was really nice, it really was. Some of the historical farmhouses and the buildings and stuff like that are really quite nice. So having said that, I've got Rustic Road 68 done. So yeah, time to go off and do another one. Alright, this is Mark saying thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys on the road.